Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's take a look and see who it's from. Well, we have pre-stamped cross-stitch kits. Whoops. Alright, so this is from FGNormal. It's got a little sticky there, but it doesn't bother anything. Isn't that a beautiful butterfly? Now that butterfly was $12.98. I don't know why it's so expensive. I guess it's a 40 by 50. That's what it says, 40 by 50. Look at all the purples and pinks and yellows and orange and green. Just beautiful, gorgeous colors. Absolutely loved it. And it does come with a paper pattern. I'm not seeing any... Hang on. Nope. There are no instructions in this one. Just the pattern. It has 24 colors. And it has some 823, no 939, or 3865. So, yeah, just beautiful, vivid colors. And it's a 40 by 50 as product number and how big it is. It doesn't say how many squares per square on this one. I don't know why. Let's take a look at the colors. Hang on, we gotta shake things out here. Like I said, it's not too big. And the picture will be even smaller than 40 by 50. But look at those fuchsias and pinks. And there's your orange, and then you have like a magenta color, and some teal shades, some more bluish purple over here, and kind of a coral color. And that's kind of a mauve color there. Just a little bit of it. So we'll take a look and see what this looks like. I thought it was beautiful. Love all those colors. Surprised there's no 550 purple. Nope, none of that. So that's okay. We can do. Let me set this up here out of the way. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is not serged all the way around. It does go up and down. It does have some big areas of color here, but it is quite skinny. There are 2 needles right here. Let's take a look. And once again, it has the product number and how big it is, 40 by 50, but there's no squares, you know, like 120 something, I don't know. Looks like 173 by 29 maybe. So, not too big. Make a nice one to do in the spring when you want to see all that beautiful color. So it's 50 this way. And 50 this. Nope, 50. What am I saying? About 39 and a half. Actual picture size is... looks like 39 and a half, or a little over 15 and a half. By 29 or 11 and a half. So 12 by 16. Actual, you know, kind of getting it in there. But this has nice big areas of color. I don't see a whole lot of confetti. Not at all. Very well and very nicely printed. I'm looking these over now because after I got burned once on one, you know, it looks very well printed. Has a nice big key. Very easy to read. It does show you all the colors. So that's nice. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I think it'll be beautiful with all those purples and green and pinks and oranges and corals. It'll be awesome. Isn't that beautiful? Don't know how much of all that little doodad things will show up, but we'll see. Let's take a look at the second one. And it was also $12.98, and it is also a 40 by 50. I can get it out of there. Nice plastic bag. It's not ripped or anything. Isn't that beautiful? It just looks like cloisonne. I just loved it. Just love all those purple flowers. It's more of like a cartoon, if you will. It's not true to life looking picture. So yeah, and you could put lots of back stitching in that if you wanted to. All different kinds of stuff. But just gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. It is not serged. I'm trying to get to the instruction page. And once again, it just says how big it is. Again, how big it is and the product number here. This one has 20 colors. No 310. 939. No 823. No 3371. It has 3864 for the offie colored white. Well, it's more of a cream color, I guess. They're using I can't read words today or numbers. 712, 677, 554, and possibly 3743. So, yeah, very nicely printed, but it would have to be blown up just like the other one. But yeah, I think it's going to be gorgeous. I just love all those flowers. And we'll take a look at the threads here. There's no extra skeins. There you go. So nice antique looking colors. Now there's that off-white I wasn't sure about. That's what closer to white, but yeah. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. That I can't even explain. It's kind of like a muted mauve. I don't know how else to explain it, but you do have some greens. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades of green. And then you have kind of a steel blue down here and some rust and some tan. See, that was too dark to be a white, so I guess they're going to use this for the whites. These two will be what the color, and that's kind of a yellow. So if they put all that together, I think it'll be a fine. Just beautiful. And then a pale, like lavender color down here. Just absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. All right, let me get that all rolled up and set that up out of our freeway. It is not serged all the way around. Does come with 2 needles here. Nice big canvas. Does have the colors. There's even a picture there of the, what was on the front page. Nice, easy to read key. You can see all the symbols and the numbers clearly. And this looks like a very well printed canvas. And it looks a little confettied, kind of pink, 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 pink. But you got big places, and big areas where there's maybe 5 colors. Like down here in this pink or lace or whatever it is. I don't know right offhand. Like part of that tablecloth looking thing. So, yeah. I thought it was beautiful. Just gorgeous. And this is kind of a heavier canvas, so it'll be a little stiff. I'll have to give it a good old crunch, but very well printed. Very easy to read symbols. I love 11 count, man. For these poor old eyes, yeah, we need 11 count. Now, FGNormal has cross stitch, and I believe they do diamond painting. Hang on, just give me a second. That is, if I can find my paper. Goodness gracious. There it is. And they usually have sales of like buy one, get one. So if any of that is in it, I will put that in the description below. They have free shipping on orders over 40 pounds, which is about $40, $45. US dollars. They have cross stitch and diamond painting tools and crafts for both. They have beaded cross stitch, paint by number with tools and crafts, and they have embroidery crafts and tools. They also do wood felt, scrapbooking, paper quilling, wax sealing, and silk screen stencils. They do custom in diamond painting and in paint by number only. So do check that out. And thank you, FGNormal, for sending me these beautiful kits. Seems like this got here really fast. I ordered this on the 12th, and I received it on Saturday. What was that? The 25th? Somewhere in there. So it didn't take any time at all to get here. Just about 2 weeks is what usually is what the norm is for all these stores. So unless there's an issue or problem. Now, I don't know about other countries. I don't have any say in that. I got nothing because I don't hear these things. So hopefully you'll get them that fast. Thank you for watching me today. Thank you, FGNormal, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.